Hey boys, welcome back to another video. This is a weekend update and I just want to show you guys some levels before going into FOMC next week. The red folders that I'm probably looking at and some levels, and I am long. By the way, I'm going to show you why I long and why I think this might actually break out and then trap a bunch of traders and then maybe come back down. So I'm going to tell you my exact plan for FOMC. Now make sure to watch this video, and if you've been liking my videos so far, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I do have some links below: BTCC, Weeks, Bybit, check them out. Disclaimer, I do get some referral fees if you use my link. All right, so let's get into this video. All right, so this is my long for Bitcoin. The reason why I long here, because the daily open yesterday was here and previous day high. So Bitcoin is in a clear uptrend locally, like on a lower time frame. And usually if we back this previous day high with the daily open, we usually get a bounce. I am not expecting a lot from this, but if we do break out today all the way to previous week high, that will be amazing. I am moving my stop loss immediately to break even for this, because I don't trust this move. We got FOMC next week, and looks like maybe they're not gonna cut rates yet. So usually that's bearish for risk on assets like Bitcoin, Nasdaq, and ES stocks. So we'll just have to see. Looking at Nasdaq, I mean, it's still on a downtrend too. Same with Nasdaq. It's just consolidated, coming back down. They're gonna mitigate the lows. I wonder if they're gonna take the low and reverse or break out trade all the way down. So that's what I'm looking at for Nasdaq. Now let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum is just following Bitcoin. We bounced previous day high, daily open, and then now we're going up. Let's look at gold. So gold, I'm not sure what's happening in Iran, but there's still tension, even though it's finally done. I wonder if next week at the open, gold is gold gonna break out or is gold gonna break down? That would give us a little bit of something, like an idea how the risk and assets are gonna trade. I'm also looking at the XY, because dollar's just been going up. So finally, after sweeping everything, it's coming back for the highs, and I feel like this is your draw for the dollar, or maybe this one. So next week, just look at the XY, gold, Nasdaq, and ES, and then that will actually tell you where Bitcoin is gonna go, right? Oil, it's still at $100. It's been shooting up after a pullback, back test, and then boom, straight back up. So let's see if oil is still gonna be expensive. So yeah, so far for Bitcoin, I am long. For next week, I'm gonna keep it simple. So these are my levels. We built up some low resistance liquidity right here, and this structure just looks sus. I feel like we're going for this draw first, and after taking that, or not, maybe even just front running this, and then this could be like a mega short all the way, going to sub 60K. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin basically. Right now we're just on top of the range. This could come down as well. That's why I'm moving my stop loss here. But this is just, if you look at the 4-hour candles, this is like a bunch of chop. So I wasn't really trading last week a lot. This was my only trade here, the short all the way there. And then I didn't long this because my level for 65K didn't get hit. And if you look at the 4-hour candle, there's no wick to the downside. So I feel like they're gonna come back for this. So, this is not the 4-hour, by the way. This is the daily candle. I'm so sorry, that's the daily candle. So the way the daily candle structure looks really sus, and we don't have a wick to the downside here. And let's look at the weekly. Even the weekly, you have a small wick. So I feel like, we're going for this high first, and after we're probably gonna come down, right, and take everyone out. So just be careful next week. This could be a breakout trap, but then again, I'm willing to take a risk to ride the long. I moved my stop loss to break even already. If you do want to catch the trades that I take, I do post it on my Telegram channel, so make sure to join there. All right, and yeah, so that was just a quick weekend update for Bitcoin and some other assets. I might take a challenge with you boys probably next week. I might get a bit funded prop firm for crypto, and then I might take another evaluation for Top Step. So I'll keep you guys updated, and I will let you guys know. And if you guys want to trade that with me, join my Telegram channel. All right, peace and love, guys. See you.